How to change Ghostty theme. Ghostty is a fast, GPU-accelerated, native terminal emulator for macOS and Linux with modern features, customization, and cross-platform support. Here's how to change your Ghostty theme. Go to this website and log in. From the left sidebar, click on Settings tab. Inside Settings, click Design and Branding. Then click Change Theme. This opens the theme library and installed themes. Browse official themes provided by Ghost. Hover over a theme and click Install. After installation, press Activate to apply the theme. Click Upload Theme and select a zip file. Use the Preview button to see it live before activating. Customize design settings. Go to Settings and then Design to tweak colors, fonts, logos, etc. Then click Save or confirm activation. Thank you so much for watching.